Hi everyone, and I welcome you all back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to be doing the sewing tutorial of the gown I posted the last time. So first of all, I'll be ironing my gum stitch to the fabric, my sleeve. Just make sure you iron the right side to the wrong side of the sleeve, then iron it very well. Iron the two sleeve very well, and then place your lining on the wrong side, on the right side, sorry, in order to turn it to the wrong side. After you are done with that, you have to fix your linings to all the pieces. You have to fix your lining to all the pieces. So go to your sewing machine and do that. And this is mine after I'm done with everything. I've already fixed all the linings to the pieces, and so I've already taken my darts. For the down part and for the upper part as well, I've taken all the darts. So what you have to do next is to join the front part together. I notch the center front in order for me to fix it to the center of the down part as well, like the way I'm doing the video. Just make sure the center meets one another and then fix it, sew it together in order to give us this. After I'm done doing that, this is what I have. The next thing to do is to join that the front part to it, that pleated thing. This is what you're going to do here. You have to just split it on top of it like so. Just go ahead and pleat it like this. After you are done doing that, make sure you iron it out according to the plating like this. Take your time in pressing it so that it can come out nice. And this is what I did. I actually apply a pin and I iron it out very nicely. I'll be showing you what it looks like. Take your time while doing this because it can be a little frustrating. And if you iron it out properly, it's going to come out nice like this. This is what I have after I've ironed it out. So after which I've ironed it out, I'm going to proceed in joining it together. I'm just trying to show you what it looks like. To join the back part as well, just join the back part, the upper part with the down part of the back. Join it together like this. Do the same thing to the other one, and then you can also fix your zip like the way I did mine. I fixed my zip to it, and then I joined my shoulder together. I'm just trying to align it very well. I place it like this because I don't want it to be rough, Then, after you're done arranging yours, just go ahead and fix your, join your shoulder to one another. I hope we all know how to do that. After I've joined the two together. This is what you are going to do. You are going to be closing one part of the dress. You're not going to fix the two together because we are still going to work on the pleats on the front part. So this is what I did. I took my measurements, then I closed one part of the dress and leave the other side opened in order for it to be easier if I want to sew on the pleated stuff. Just fold the pleated thing nicely on there and then take your measurements. So this is how I took the measurement. I measure my bust divided by 2 here because we won't be applying 4 inches here because it is already opened and it's not on fold. I measured my bust, then I found out that after I've removed the actual bust, I divided the remaining allowance. I split it into 2. I hope we all know that. I did the same thing on my hip as well. My hip divided by 2. The remaining measurement I splitted it into two, and that is what I'll be using for both sides. So in case you're wondering how I took the measurement, that is the way I did it. So this is after I'm done joining the one side of the dress. Then I open it like this, and this is what I'm going to be doing. I'm going to arrange, like I arranged those places very well. Then I take it to my sewing machine and sew on it. You're going to take your time here to, like the way I did that finger that I did. That is the exact way I joined it together, like so. So just take your time and arrange it properly if you are doing this particular side. So this is after I did it. This is what I have. I'm trying to show it on my body. It's not my size, so I'm just trying to for us to see. You can see the plaited thing is looking nicely and it's neat. So this is what I after that I closed the second part. I took my measurement for the second part as well. The remaining allowance I press it on it for my bust, for my waist, then for my hip, and we are good to go. The next thing I'll be doing is um, you can just I forgot to tell you that you can just for the slit, just make sure that you top stitch on the right side. This is what I have after I'm done joining everything. This is what it looks like. The next thing is to join the sleeve to the dress, and it's not far-fetched. You have to close the side of the sleeve, then join it to your dress. You might pleat on the shoulder part, especially you have to pleat on the shoulder part if you want your sleeve to have more emphasis. You have to pleat on the shoulder part. This is how I always trim my armhole if it is not enough. Just like this, I'll just trim it a bit, then I'll measure it. If I'm okay with the armhole, that is when I'll fix my my sleeve. So after I'm satisfied with the whole thing, I take this sleeve to my sewing machine and then I close this side. Just go ahead and take it to your sewing machine, then fix it to your dress. You have to emphasize more on the center part of the sleeve. I mean, that is how it's going to look like after you join it to the dress. Thank you for always watching. Thank you for for watching all my videos. Thank you for tuning in. And also for those people who are yet to subscribe to my channel, please kindly press the subscribe button. Thank you for watching.